What's up guys, Cutback right here. In this video, I'll show you how to add animated captions behind a person to your video with just 3 clicks. In the animated captions menu, choose a template to start with. You can customize all the options after selecting it. Let's go with the FlexiBG style. Now, choose a clip to add the effect to and click this button. Wait a few seconds. Did you see how fast that was? And you can see that the masking is done with high quality. If you go into the nested sequence, you'll see that Cutback automatically added mask frame by frame. You can use the editor here to edit text. Use shortcuts to change the words and lines. You can adjust the timestamp detail in the timeline below. Now, let's add some flair to the styles. Let's add some thick borders. After that, click on Apply Changes to see the final result. That's it for today, guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more editing tips and updates. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!